Web development is a vast field that encompasses a wide range of activities, from writing code and designing layouts to testing and debugging. If you are interested in starting web development, here are a few steps you can take. Learn the basics. Start by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the three main building blocks of web development. There are many resources available online, such as Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp, that can help you learn the basics for free. Learn a web development framework. Frameworks such as Bootstrap, Foundation, and Material UI can make the development process faster and more efficient. They provide a structure for the code, pre-built modules, and libraries to handle common tasks, such as handling requests and responses, connecting to databases, and handling user authentication. Learn a programming language. You will also want to learn a programming language such as JavaScript, Python, Ruby, or PHP. These languages are commonly used for server-side web development and will be necessary for building dynamic websites and web applications. Build a portfolio. As you learn, start building a portfolio of projects to showcase your skills. This will help you to demonstrate your abilities to potential employers or clients. Network with other developers. Join online communities such as Stack Overflow, GitHub, or Reddit to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. Continuously learn. Web development is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to continue learning new technologies, tools, and best practices as you progress in your career. Overall, starting web development requires a combination of learning the basics, working on projects, and connecting with other developers. With the right combination of education and experience, you can build a successful career in web development.